Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this look is something. I know. So if you just want to see how I got this eye look, I'm gonna speed up to my complexion, but definitely on the eye look, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff, okay? Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the P. Louise base. This is the very first one that came out, so just gonna put some on my eyelid and blend it out. So this entire eye look is gonna be using the Natasha Denona palette. This is the purple green palette. It's like one of the very first palettes she came up with. So I'm gonna use mostly this color to deepen it up. It's like a really deep dark blue. And I'm gonna use this light and pink, this purple and pink two colors on my lid. So I'm gonna go in with this, then blend it out with this color. So I'm starting with this color. So I'm just gonna put it right in my crease. So I'm tapping in this color just where my crease is. I'm tapping it for the maximum payout of the color, and you can see it's very, very pigmented. Now I'm going into a fluffy brush and going in with this color. I'm just gonna blend out the blue with this beautiful greenish teal color. So I'm gonna wipe off my brush and just blend the edges out. So I'm going back into the deep blue to blend the edges so it can blend seamlessly. So I'm just gonna blend the edge of the blue so that I can blend nicer into the green. So I'm using that same P. Louise to cut my crease. I'm gonna do more of a tapping motion. And I'm just gonna drag it just a little bit to smooth the very top of the lines where I tapped it. So first I'm gonna tap it just to get it on where I want it cut. I'm just tapping it to have it on pretty much on the exact position I want, where I want to cut it. Then I'm gently gonna sweep it down to keep that line straight. So I'm going back and forth with the tapping and the dragging. So I'm just gonna drag the edges to help blend the concealer out. So I'm going in with that dark blue and I'm gonna put it right here at the edge, tapping it in for the most pigmentation. Then I'm slightly sweeping it inward to help blend into the next colors. First, I'm going in with this nice pink shade. It's like a pinkish purple. So now I'm gonna go in with this color on the other half of my lid, and I'll blend it into that pink. Same thing, you want to pack this color. With that blue, just to help blend the edges of that purple. So now I'm using my Flash palette and I'm using this pink one. And I'm drawing a line right in front of where my crease is. Now I'm gonna set that pink crease with this colored ring color in Party Drip. So back where the pillow is, and I'm putting it at the bottom. Going in with that pink shade. So I'm going in with just the purple shade. The purple shade I used over here, I'm gonna put it right underneath. Going in with that blue just to bring it down a little bit. Now I'm using the lashes from Ali. I'm gonna do my brows really quick using the Beauty Bakery No Bake Brow Dip in dark brown. I'm just quickly gonna do my base. If you want to know how I did my base, just watch my video before this one. I'm just taking a clean brush just to help blend these edges out. Just gonna put a little bit blush. Any pink blush will do. Just tapping it so to get the most pigment. It's a very old rainbow highlight. This is like the very first rainbow highlight that came out in Etsy. It was by Glam and Space. It was by Glam and Space. I don't know if you guys remember. The very first rainbow highlight that came out, and it's like all broken, but I'm still gonna use it. And for the rest of my face, I'm using my Danessa Myricks highlighter. It's the same highlighter I used on my last video. This is the finished look. Let me put myself together and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you love it. I hope you will try it because it's super cute and it's doable. It's doable. Just keep on practicing and you will get it. This was definitely inspired by Stacey Marie MUA on Instagram. She is amazing. I love her work. I get inspo from her all the time. So yeah, so this is the finished look, and always remember that Jesus loves you and I love you too. Okay, so now let's segment into the poses.